Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. So here we have going to see the second example. The production rules are given and the question is to derive the string BBAABA by using both types of the derivation, that is leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. So the production rules are given, string to be produced given by using both kinds of the derivation. So here by using leftmost derivation we will start with the starting symbol. So see, the first symbol of the string to be generated is B, therefore we must use that particular rule. So S produces B A. Now the leftmost non-terminal is that particular A. So A can be replaced by any of these three to generate the string BBAABA. Therefore S produces B. I can replace the string by using BAA. Okay. Now which is the leftmost non-terminal? That particular capital A. See here, S produces BB. First two symbols we have obtained. Now that A can be replaced by either A, AS or BAA. So here we can replace that A by suppose AS and A as it is. The leftmost non-terminal is S now. That S can be replaced by using either AB or BA. BBA. Now again I want the fourth symbol as A, therefore S can be replaced by A capital B and remaining right as it is. Now the leftmost non-terminal is capital B. So capital B, it can be replaced by small b, therefore S produces BBAA. The only one non-terminal remaining is capital A, which can be replaced by small a, as the string we want to generate is BBAA and BA. So here by using those production rules in leftmost derivation we have derived the string BBAABA. The next is the rightmost derivation. The same string we are going to derive by using the rightmost derivation. S produces B capital A. So the rightmost non-terminal here is A. That A again we are replacing by BAA. Now the rightmost non-terminal is capital A. That capital A can be replaced by any of these three. So suppose if I replaced A by AS, that S can be replaced by BA. So here we can obtain the string which is asked in the question. So A can be replaced by AS. Now particularly that S can be replaced by B capital A. So BB capital A S, and here it is the small b capital A. That capital A can be replaced by small a. Again only one non-terminal is remaining, which is again replaced by using the production rule. A produces small a. Therefore here we have obtained the string BBAABA, the same string which is asked in the question by using the rightmost derivation. So the students, here we have obtained the string by using leftmost derivation and here by using rightmost derivation. Leftmost derivation means only you have to concentrate on the leftmost non-terminal. Whatever leftmost non-terminal is there, go one by one replacing that, and in rightmost derivation the rightmost non-terminal one by one replace and obtain the string which they have asked by using the production rules which is given in the particular grammar. So here that is the example of generating the string by using the leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. Thank you students.